Ipolisin lukote so kesi aparana lolo Aitojokar tuko kino ibuga soroti Kanu amorun Iwaitin lu egelegela lu epote Aitojokar Eiswamae kech. Godfrey Goloba ngesi Apollo kinitoni Apollo na eja utene lo Ipolisin ko Uganda.
I remember in 2019 the Inspector General of Police gave instructions to revamp or to recreate a doctrine within the police force as looking at those beliefs that we think are true and are profitable to Ugandans. When I say profitable, they make the police look more professional. Ranging from the local operations that you see police officers doing, it touches training, it touches welfare, it touches virtually the entire life of a police officer. The police, of course, has had books or documents that govern our operations, but these are many of them. And a good number of them, I don't want to say they are outdated, but they are old enough. And therefore, this development of doctrine will use it as part of the review of how we look at ourselves.
Keja ngono da Ipolisin kotoma opotolo kechelo nyareta ikotoma longo utoa gasha olema gasha ngesi adautu popekwana arrochuni tungalupi pukoteso kanwa bilibili kisila.
We are having an operation which is ongoing and we codenamed it Power Gasia. Hope you know what that means. It's a Swahili word. And we did it on the background that there were so many concerns from the community about criminality within the city. And as security, we could not sit back and just look on. So we had to come up with an operation order which was sent to IGP. And so we started it 2 weeks back. Within this operation, we have been able to take over 80 people to court, and more 28 are pending today. So anytime they'll be appearing in court, the file is at the sanction. I should say it's a success, but the operation is still ongoing. Media is targeting those people who disturb others when they are going home. Pickpocketing. There are those who do rape. I know you could have had such cases. There are those who are even beaten on the road. So making the community feel insecure, not feeling like they are in their own country. And we also had incidences where we have had breaking of houses, residential houses, and also in shops.
Uka TV East, Solomon Ramu Koiboga Soroti.